Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating during the use on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what I like to do is I always walk through closing heavy apps. So for example, if I use Chrome, if I use Messages, phone, even the camera, what I do is click on this button right here and close all of the apps at once. Now our system will tell us that it's already in the best state, and what I'm doing next is I'm always lowering my screen refresh rate. Not exactly lowering, but always changing my setting. So when I scroll down, I always use auto switch. It's switching between 60 and 144 Hertz. So there's always a refresh rate. We can set it up to standard for 60 Hertz. High is not worth it because it will drain our battery, but auto switch is really good because when we're not using it at 60, and when we're using it, it goes up to 120 and 144. Now what we want to do is whenever I charge my phone and it's overheating during the use of it, I remove the case. Now you may be wondering why I'm removing the case. It's really simple, and I remove the case because I always want to make sure that the heat is not trapped under it. So I remove the case, I use my phone like this, and of course after removing the case, what I like to do is always check for any background processes. So we can go to settings. Now we're gonna go to app management, and here in app management what we have is, let's say, screen time. We can see all of the apps that are running, and we can also see the informations about the apps, so whenever it's running in the background or not. And I just go over, and then I will basically try and in the battery I will not allow the background usage for every single app that's draining my battery. So that's what I do. And of course, as a last resort, what I always check is for latest software updates, so that it's not a software glitch, and my system is always up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.